Hello and welcome back to my channel Catalyst Hub. I am back with a new faculty recruitment video. The recent job opportunity is of a well-known private institute for the post of faculty positions. I suggest you to please like the video and share it with your friends and colleagues. So without any further ado, let's get started. The faculty position opening is from Vellore Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh branch. This opening comes with numerous other benefits and services along with a decent job. So let's move. A bit about the university is it offers distinctive education through its undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD programs. The teaching learning process at the institute prepares students for the future. Everybody knows that Vellore is a huge name when it comes to research and technology. So it has courses like BTech, BBA, Law, Bachelors of Arts and Masters of Arts, BSc, MSc, BCom, MTech, international courses, PhD, and this was a overview. You can find a lot of other things on the site, like the overview of the institute, the academics, the number of schools under the university or institute, faculty information, career development centers where you can contact for placements later on. Facilities can be seen. There is a virtual tour for it. Campus life with hostels, cafeteria, health center, everything. And the star thing about about the institute is the facilities they provide to the people who are getting recruited there. So the VIT AP advantage can be like these. They have stellar placements, international programs, engineering clinics, cooperative and internships, sports, clubs and chapters, unique teaching process, community development, mentoring scheme, qualified and caring faculty, infrastructure and facilities, and experienced leadership. So now the faculty recruitment. Before that, let us see the other pay related details, the star things which I was talking about. HRA at Amravati for VIT AP Center will be getting 10% of basic pay. DRN's allowance at Amravati with 5% of basic pay. Performance appreciation pay, that is maximum of 15 days gross salary based on the points scored out of 100. It can be varied. Employer contribution or EPF, maximum rupees 1800 per month. These are all additional things you can get apart from the normal salary. Health insurance premium contribution by VIT AP. Leave encashment options, 3 weeks of paid vacation during summer, free transport from Guntur to and Vijayawada to campus, research seed fund support by VIT AP. VIT AP sponsored visit to universities abroad, paper presentations in international conference, etc. Independent AC cabins for faculty and stay options in faculty quarters, which is a feature coming soon. So here I talked about the additional things you are getting for when it comes to salary. The basic pay band for assistant professor AP grade 1 is rupees 65,800. Assistant professor senior grade 1 77,900. Associate professor grade 1 rupees 1,04,000. Professor grade 1 1,36,000. So according to a private institute, this is huge and it is well respected also. And there are these contact details. If you want to have any other information about it, you can contact them on the number given. Otherwise, you have to send your resume. There is no application fee for this complete procedure, and there is no, I will show you how, there is no such specific demand about PhD mandatory or net set qualified or something. Even if you are a postgraduate with 55%, you can apply. You have to send your resume to aphr@vitap.ac.in. So now moving on to the subjects. For computer science and engineering department or school, the position for professor, associate professor and assistant professor, qualification should be that the candidate just retired and about to complete PhD or thesis submitted can also apply. Specialization areas is cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, machine learning, geoinformatics, cloud computing, edge computing, etc. For mechanical engineering, the positions are all three: professor, associate professor, and assistant professor. Qualification can be candidates just retired and about to complete PhD or thesis submitted can also apply. Specialization areas can be robotics, design, thermal, automobile engineering, etc. Electronics and communication engineering. Positions are all three. Qualification is again same. Specialization area is embedded systems. Advanced sciences, professor, associate professor, assistant professor with the same qualification, and specialization area can be applied maths, physics, and chemistry. For humanities and social sciences, candidate who has just retired or about to complete PhD, thesis submitted can also apply. Political science, philosophy, English, Hindi, Telugu, French, and Spanish. For management position, professor, associate professor, assistant professor, etc. Qualification again the same, and specialization areas are marketing, accounting, auditing and tax, finance, HR, and OB. For law, which is the last one, again all the three with the same qualification, and specialization area can be any. So if given option, I think everybody should apply for this thing, and it can really help to flourish the career options further. And Vellore is a very premium name when it comes to research, development and technology. So I think this opportunity should not be missed, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please share this video with as much as possible people. Thank you so much. Have a good day.